Hi everyone! Welcome to Human and Nature YouTube channel. Big Ma's story begins here in a carefully crafted nest of mud and vegetation. Did you know that the mysterious world of the Louisiana swamp, where legends are born and survival is a daily battle? Today, we're diving into the incredible life story of one of the swamp's most ancient and fascinating residents, the American alligator. From hatching in the safety of a nest to becoming the apex predator of these wetlands, this is the story of Big Ma, a true survivor of the wild. The life of Big Ma, a journey through the swamp in the heart of Louisiana's bayous, amidst the dense mangroves and sprawling wetlands, a female alligator named Big Ma emerged into the world. Her story began in a nest carefully built by her mother, constructed from reeds and mud to protect the precious clutch of 40 eggs from predators and the elements. Alligator mothers are fiercely protective, and Big Ma's mother was no exception. She patrolled the nest relentlessly, guarding against raccoons, snakes, and even other alligators. Hatching day was a mix of triumph and terror. Tiny Big Ma, no larger than a human hand, broke free from her egg, guided by her mother's gentle grunts. Yet, her first moments outside were a race for survival. Predators such as herons and large fish circled nearby, ready to snatch vulnerable hatchlings. Out of 40 eggs, only a handful survived the dangerous journey from nest to water, and Big Ma was among the fortunate few. As a juvenile alligator, Big Ma lived a precarious life. Her diet consisted of small insects, tadpoles, and tiny fish. She learned the art of patience early on, lying motionless in the water with only her eyes and nostrils visible. This ability to remain undetected would become her greatest weapon as she grew older. The swamp, though lush and vibrant, was unforgiving. Competition for food was fierce, and every shadow could mean danger. Years passed, and Big Ma grew into a robust subadult. At this stage, she expanded her diet to include frogs, turtles, and larger fish. Her powerful jaw began to show its potential, and her tail, a muscular propeller, allowed her to glide effortlessly through the water. However, life in the swamp was not without challenges. Seasonal droughts reduced water levels, forcing Big Ma to navigate shrinking pools where food was scarce and predators were concentrated. By the time she reached maturity, Big Ma had claimed her own territory, a secluded stretch of swamp rich with food and ideal basking spots. She had grown to over 9 feet in length, her scales thick and dark, glinting under the sun. As an apex predator, she had few threats in the wild, but the presence of humans loomed large. Over the decades, she had seen parts of the swamp drained or polluted. Some of her kin had disappeared, taken by hunters for their skin or meat. Despite these challenges, Big Ma thrived. Conservation efforts in the region had led to the protection of her species, allowing alligators to recover from near extinction. She grew to become one of the largest alligators in her area, eventually reaching an imposing 12 feet in length. Her diet now included deer and other mammals that ventured too close to the water's edge. With a bite force strong enough to crush bones, Big Ma was a force of nature. During mating season, Big Ma's deep, resonant bellows echoed through the swamp, a call to potential mates. She would later lay her own clutch of eggs, guarding them with the same fierce determination her mother had shown. When the hatchlings emerged, she gently carried them in her powerful jaws to the water, ensuring their survival in a world filled with dangers. As the years turned into decades, Big Ma became a living legend of the swamp. At nearly 50 years old, she was a matriarch, a guardian of her ecosystem. Her presence ensured the delicate balance of the wetlands. By preying on fish, turtles, and other species, she prevented overpopulation and contributed to the health of her habitat. Big Ma's life was not just a tale of survival, but a reflection of the resilience and adaptability of her species. Her story is a reminder of the intricate connections within nature and the importance of preserving these wild places. Though she remains unseen by most, her silent journey through the waters of Louisiana is a testament to the enduring spirit of the American alligator and the wilderness it calls home. And there you have it. Big Ma's life is a story of resilience, strength, and the delicate balance of nature. From a tiny hatchling to a powerful apex predator, she has become a symbol of survival in one of the wildest ecosystems on Earth. If you enjoyed this journey into the life of an alligator, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you'll always be the first to watch when a new video drops. And for more incredible wildlife stories. Thank you for watching. Until next time, explore, learn, and stay wild.